All right, everybody, what is up? First and foremost, I want to congratulate you guys on taking the first step in your nutrition program. I know this is a big step, and at first it might be kind of overwhelming for you, but please just hang tight. We'll get everything figured out, and you will not regret signing up for this. You're going to learn a lot and really be able to take control of your own nutrition. So we're going to go over how to open the spreadsheet right now, and it's real simple after we do it the first time, okay? So basically, all we're going to do is I opened up the email that I sent myself. You all receive one from me like this as well. Just go ahead and click on the attachment. It's going to pull up it's going to pull up the spreadsheet, and right now I can't edit anything in here. Okay, so what we're going to need to do is go over here and we're going to download the document. Boom. Okay, so it should pull up over here. It's downloading. Nice. I'm going to click on that, and then right here it's going to pull up my Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to hit enable editing, and that's going to allow me to save the sheet. Okay, so from here, I'm going to go ahead and save as. We only have to do this one time, okay, guys? So I'm going to go to save as. I recommend you put in a folder that you remember, but for me, I'm just going to go ahead and put it into my desktop. And then I'm going to save it as OMF 2019 weekly check-in, and I'm going to put test right here, just so I know what that is. Test 1, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and save it. Boom. All right, cool. Now, next step, I'm gonna go ahead and bring up a new window real quick. So let's say we start fresh. I'm gonna go to my apps, depending on what type of computer you have. I mean, it may look like this, it may not, but long story short, we need to be able to open up it from, I'm gonna show you how to do it from Google Sheets. So it's just an app you download. You can do this from your phone or from your desktop. And so I'm gonna go ahead and click on Google Sheets. Google Sheets is going to bring up this, and then I'm going to go over here to this file. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. I'm going to click upload right here. And then from here, I'm going to go ahead, select a file from your computer. All right. So it pulled up we'll go to desktop, pulled it up automatically, but I'll just do it again. And then right here, I see that OMF 2019 test 1. Boom. I'm going to click on it. It's uploading. All right. All right. Sorry for the wait, guys. And then it pulls up my sheet. Okay, so now I can start editing it. And so since you got your macro numbers from me, interesting. Okay, so sorry. You're gonna go ahead and plug in the macro goals that I gave to you. Okay, so if I haven't set up your goals yet, then go ahead and track. Maybe we're doing that first week of tracking without any goals. Go ahead and just continue to track through here. But if I did set your goals up for you, then we're gonna enter them right here. So let's say my goals are 200 protein, 500 carbs. These are some monster macros, I know. And 100 fat, okay? So I'm just keeping it simple just for demonstration purposes. And so I'll start logging, okay? So let's say on Monday, I did 200 grams of protein, and then my carbs were at 450. I didn't eat enough carbs that day. And then fat, it lit me up red. So that tells me that I'm 10% under my goal. And so I want all these cells to be white eventually, okay? So at first, I understand where it might be a little bit off, but you'll notice how it just gives us a little bit of a warning, okay? So my fat, I ate 110. And oh shoot, yep, went a little bit over on that too. So I'll continue filling it out. Fiber, I ate 40 grams of fiber, and I had 3,000 milligrams of sodium. Boom, okay? So I recommend that you guys do this on a daily basis. That way you can just do it real quick. You saw how long that took me. It's real simple. At the end of the night, when you're done with your eating, just go ahead and fill this chart out, okay? If you wait till the end of the week, it's going to add up to a lot. You're going to feel like, oh crap, I still got to go and fill that chart out, blah, and you're going to be less likely to do it, okay? Make it easy on yourself, okay? I'm also going to put my weight from that morning, and let's say I was 220 pounds. Don't laugh, okay? Then I will just go through the chart. Sleep, I slept 7.5 hours. Boom. My alcohol that I drank, if you drank any, this is number of drinks that you had. So let's say that I had 2 beers. I'll put the number 2. let's say I had 2 beers, 1 shot, and a glass of wine, then I would put 4. Okay, so basically just a number of alcoholic beverages. HAP tracking stands for haphazard. Now, since I drank alcohol, I'm going to put a check in that box. So anytime you drink, you're going to check that box. And also, if I was to not be too sure of the accuracy of the food that I tracked for that day, I would also check that box. So let's say I went to a friend's house or I went to a restaurant and I wasn't too sure what was in the meal, but I did my best to still estimate and track anyways. I'm still going to put an X in that box. And that just tells me that the accuracy might be a little off. Training, how many hours or how many minutes I trained that day. So for hours, I just put 2.5, okay? And cardio, if I did any. And let's say I did, about 15 minutes of cardio after my my training session, okay? Right, here's some comments that you can put for me. So you can be like, you know what, Coach, I didn't feel like eating too many carbs, so I fell short. Oops. Boom. And then that gives me just a little bit of a message. You can put anything you want in there, like, you know what, sleep sucked, stress at home, and that just gives me a little more background information on why I might be seeing certain things up here or in this category right here. So other than that, guys, that's how you fill out the sheet. You can also put your goals for the week right here. I might put this for you, or you can always put some more in for yourself, okay? And then, so at the bottom, I will be giving you feedback down here. Then the next step, after you have this whole sheet completed, so let's say that you went from Monday to Sunday and you completed everything. Depending on your check-in day, you will send it to me on different days. But so let's say your check-in day is on Wednesday, for example. Then I might see tracking from the previous week, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, and then your check-in days on Wednesday. It really doesn't matter, but basically the day before you're supposed to check in, I want you to go ahead and send it to me. So then I'm going to go ahead up here, boom, I'm going to share it. I'm going to enter the name of the email address. So bam, I'm going to share it with myself. There I am. You can add a note like, hi, Coach. And I'm going to go ahead and send it. Boom. Now that's shared with me. Now that is live. You don't have to save this every time, okay? It's stored in your Google Sheets. So let's say that I closed out of this and then I open it back up for the next time. We're almost done, guys. Bam, I go into my Google Sheets again. And it's saved for me right here. Bam, okay? So I didn't even have to save it. It's just live in the cloud now, okay? So I hope that helped, guys. Let me know if you have any more questions, and happy tracking. Let's go.